Hello Skin Functional family, welcome to your YouTube channel, and by introduction, as you know, I am Kevin, your customer service champion, and I'll be taking you through Skintelligence on, wait for it, Retinol. And if you have not subscribed as yet, please do not hesitate to do so. Also like, share and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload content. So please get comfortable and let me tell you more about my favorite product. Well, one of. So now, the moment I've been waiting for to take you through the primary benefits of retinol. So here, the primary ingredient is retinol, and it comes in 0.5%. The vitamin A increases epidermal shedding. It also increases epidermal cell turnover, and one of the benefits that I love about this is that it significantly increases collagen production. What it does is that it reduces collagen breakdown and therefore preventing elastosis. For those who don't know what elastosis is, it simply means that loss of elasticity, meaning that your skin is not able to stretch and return to its normal position afterwards. And fun fact, it is a treatment of choice for blackheads and comedones. And now I'd love to take you through the power benefits of retinol. It reduces inflammation, redness, and irritation. Our formulation has Tremella falciformis sporocarp polysaccharide, which has mushroom origin, and it forms an invisible layer to reduce moisture loss and enhance moisturization. And now, to give you an additional tip, because I'm generous like that, vitamin A is not advised for sensitive and dry skin, and reason being is that with dry skin, retinoids can exacerbate dryness, and sensitive skin is typically indicative of an impaired barrier, and with an impaired barrier, you cannot control how much product penetrates into the skin. Thank you for tuning in on Skintelligence, and if you have not subscribed as yet, please do not hesitate. Subscribe, like, share and hit the notification button so that you can be notified whenever we upload content. Your support is highly appreciated, and see you next time. Bye for now.